On February 10, 2025 at the Zhuhai Airshow, China showcased its latest advancement in naval warfare technology, the unmanned warship named Killer Whale. This significant event marks a pivotal moment for the People's Liberation Army Navy plan as it integrates artificial intelligence and innovative design into its military capabilities. The unveiling of the Killer Whale alongside the advanced Jiu Tian jet drone underscores a strategic shift in modern military operations and raises concerns for Western military powers. Overview of the Killer Whale. The Killer Whale is a trimaran drone ship that measures approximately 190 feet in length and displaces between 300 and 500 tons. With an impressive speed of up to 40 knots and a range of about 4,000 nautical miles, it is engineered for various military operations including surface warfare, anti-submarine missions, and air defense. The ship's modular design allows it to carry a diverse array of weaponry, including anti-ship and anti-aircraft missiles, torpedoes, and an operational helicopter drone, enhancing its versatility in combat scenarios. One of the most notable features of the Killer Whale is its modular mission package, a concept that has been previously utilized by the U.S. Navy's littoral combat ship but faced operational challenges. The ability to reconfigure the vessel's armament for different missions could significantly enhance its tactical flexibility, although the successful implementation of this concept remains to be seen. Technological innovations. The integration of advanced AI technology in the Killer Whale enhances its operational efficiency and effectiveness. While primarily designed as an unmanned system, the ship includes a wraparound bridge deck that suggests the potential for human oversight, providing a layer of operational control if necessary. This dual capability allows it to operate autonomously while retaining the option for human intervention, making it a versatile asset on the battlefield. The Killer Whale is designed to conduct multiple mission types including surveillance patrols, anti-submarine warfare, and air defense missions. This all-encompassing approach positions it as an all-around warrior in modern naval engagements, capable of responding to various threats in dynamic maritime environments. Strategic implications. The unveiling of the Killer Whale and the Jiu Tian jet drone signifies a considerable advancement in China's naval capabilities, posing a potential challenge to existing Western military strategies. The Jiu Tian drone, designed for long-endurance operations, can launch swarms of smaller drones, significantly enhancing reconnaissance and offensive capabilities. Together, these technologies could alter the balance of power, particularly in contested areas such as the South China Sea. Analysts have expressed concerns that the introduction of these unmanned systems may outpace Western defense mechanisms, necessitating a reassessment of military strategies. The ability to conduct operations without risking human lives allows for more aggressive tactics, complicating responses from traditional military forces. Comparative analysis with Western technologies. While the Killer Whale draws inspiration from similar concepts in Western naval technology such as the U.S. Navy's littoral combat ship, it also highlights the challenges faced by those existing systems. The U.S. Navy struggled to operationalize the modular mission package concept, leading to a permanent fixture of specific equipment on its littoral combat ships. In contrast, the Killer Whale's design aims to address this flexibility by allowing for rapid reconfiguration of its mission profile. Furthermore, while Western nations have begun to explore unmanned systems, China's rapid development and deployment of such technologies suggest a strategic advantage in the evolving landscape of naval warfare. The emphasis on modular and adaptable technologies indicates a robust approach to military innovation that may leave Western forces at a disadvantage if they do not adapt quickly. Timeline of development. Early 2024, initial sightings of the Killer Whale prototype occur at the Guangzhou shipyard, sparking speculation about its capabilities. November 10, 2024, the Killer Whale is officially unveiled at the Zhuhai Airshow, capturing international attention and prompting discussions on its implications for global military dynamics. Post-unveiling, analysts and military experts engage in discussions regarding the potential challenges posed by the Killer Whale and the Jiu Tian drone, emphasizing the need for Western nations to innovate in response. Conclusion. The launch of the killer whale unmanned warship represents a significant leap forward in China's naval warfare capabilities, integrating advanced technology and strategic versatility. As these unmanned systems become more prevalent, they challenge traditional military frameworks and compel Western nations to reassess their defense strategies. The rapid evolution in military technology underscores the necessity for innovation and adaptation in the face of emerging threats, ensuring that nations can effectively respond to the complexities of modern warfare. In conclusion, China's advancements in unmanned military technology, epitomized by the killer whale and the Jiu Tian drone, may redefine naval engagements and alter the strategic landscape. As military dynamics evolve, the international community must remain vigilant and proactive in addressing the implications of these developments. The recent unveiling of China's unmanned warship, the killer whale, at the Zhuhai Airshow signifies a pivotal moment in naval warfare, particularly through its integration of artificial intelligence and modular design technology. While the specifications and capabilities of the killer whale are impressive, the broader implications and the counterintuitive aspects of this development reveal a complex landscape in modern military dynamics. Counterintuitive information. 1. Modular mission packages and historical parallels. The concept of modular mission packages, which was a hallmark of the U.S. Navy's littoral combat ship LCS, has been resurrected in the design of the killer whale. The counterintuitive element here lies in the fact that while the U.S. Navy struggled to effectively implement this concept, resulting in LCS vessels being permanently outfitted for specific missions, China appears to be adopting the same framework with apparent optimism. This raises questions about the viability of modular systems in practice, as the U.S. experience suggests significant operational challenges that could similarly affect China's implementation. 2. Unmanned yet potentially manned operations. Despite being labeled as unmanned, the killer whale features a prominent wraparound bridge deck that suggests the potential for human oversight. This duality presents a counterintuitive dynamic where an unmanned vessel may still incorporate human decision-making elements, blurring the lines between traditional manned and unmanned operations. This could lead to a scenario where operational risks are still present even with the promise of reduced human casualties. 3. Technological advancements and strategic vulnerabilities. While the killer whale represents a leap forward in China's naval capabilities, it also reflects broader vulnerabilities in military strategy. The reliance on advanced technology, particularly unmanned systems, may create overconfidence in operational effectiveness. This reliance could make China susceptible to countermeasures and cyber warfare tactics that target these sophisticated systems, thus undermining their intended advantages and highlighting the unpredictable nature of modern warfare. 4. Shift in warfare dynamics. The introduction of the killer whale alongside the Jiu Tian jet drone signifies a strategic shift towards a more aggressive military posture that minimizes human risk. This shift raises the counterintuitive question of whether nations with advanced unmanned systems might inadvertently escalate conflicts, as the absence of human casualties could lower the threshold for military engagement. Thus, the very technology designed to provide strategic advantages may also lead to more frequent confrontations. 5. Western military responses. The advancements in China's unmanned systems pose significant challenges to Western military forces, prompting a reassessment of defense strategies. However, the counterintuitive aspect lies in the potential for Western militaries to innovate rapidly in response. The historical precedent indicates that technological challenges often drive innovation, leading to new countermeasures and strategies that can offset emerging threats. Thus, while the killer whale may initially seem to shift the balance of power, it could also catalyze a new wave of technological advancements among Western militaries. 6. Public perception and military transparency. The unveiling of the killer whale at a high-profile airshow indicates a strategic move to showcase military capabilities. However, this emphasis on public perception may mask potential shortcomings in operational readiness. The counterintuitive realization here is that while showcasing advanced technology can enhance national pride and deter adversaries, it may also expose weaknesses if the systems do not perform as expected in real-world scenarios. In conclusion, the launch of the Killer Whale unmanned warship illustrates not only China's commitment to advancing its naval capabilities through AI and modular design but also underscores a series of counterintuitive implications about the evolving nature of warfare. The interplay between technological advancement, operational challenges, and strategic posturing creates a complex dynamic that both enhances and complicates military engagements in the modern era. As nations navigate this new landscape, the responses and adaptations to these developments will be crucial in shaping future military strategies and international relations. The launch of China's Killer Whale unmanned warship is a critical development in modern naval warfare, yet several nuanced aspects of this advancement may be overlooked by many observers. These overlooked elements hold significant implications for military strategy, international relations, and technological innovation. 1. Modular mission package concept. While the report highlights the modular mission package as a key feature of the Killer Whale, the historical context and operational challenges of this concept are often underappreciated. The U.S. Navy's littoral combat ship LCS, which pioneered this idea, encountered significant difficulties in effectively implementing swappable mission modules. Analysts often focus on the innovative design without acknowledging the potential pitfalls. If the Killer Whale faces similar challenges, its operational effectiveness could be compromised, leading to a reassessment of its strategic value. Significance. Understanding the historical shortcomings of similar systems can inform military planners about potential risks and necessary adjustments in strategy. Acknowledging these challenges allows for a more balanced view of the Killer Whale's capabilities and invites scrutiny of whether China can genuinely overcome the complications that have plagued its predecessors. 2. Integration of AI technology. The report mentions the integration of advanced artificial intelligence AI in the Killer Whale but does not delve deeply into the implications of AI in unmanned warfare. AI's role in decision-making, targeting, and operational autonomy raises ethical and strategic questions that are often glossed over. The potential for AI to make real-time combat decisions without human oversight could lead to rapid escalation in conflict scenarios. Significance. The ethical implications of autonomous warfare are profound. The decision to delegate critical military functions to AI systems poses questions about accountability, civilian safety, and the rules of engagement. As military powers increasingly rely on AI, the debate surrounding its ethical use in warfare becomes essential for shaping future military policies and international norms. 3. Human oversight in unmanned systems. The design feature of the Killer Whale that allows for human oversight is noteworthy but often overshadowed by its unmanned capabilities. This hybrid approach suggests a strategic flexibility that could be crucial in various operational scenarios. While primarily unmanned, the ability to integrate human operators when necessary could provide a tactical advantage, allowing for nuanced decision-making in complex environments. Significance. Emphasizing the potential for human oversight challenges the binary perception of unmanned systems as either fully autonomous or entirely human-operated. This flexibility can enhance operational effectiveness, allowing for a blend of human judgment and machine efficiency. Understanding this aspect could inform policy discussions around the future use of unmanned systems in military engagements. 4. Strategic shift in naval warfare. The unveiling of the Killer Whale and the accompanying Jiu Tian jet drone signifies a broader strategic shift in naval warfare, particularly in the South China Sea. The focus on unmanned systems reflects an evolving doctrine that prioritizes technological superiority and asymmetric warfare tactics. The integration of swarming drone capabilities with the Jiu Tian enhances reconnaissance and offensive operations, potentially shifting the balance of power in contested areas. Significance. Recognizing this strategic shift emphasizes the need for Western military forces to adapt their doctrines and technologies in response. The rise of unmanned systems necessitates a reassessment of traditional naval strategies, highlighting the importance of innovation and adaptability in modern military planning. Failure to address this shift could lead to strategic disadvantages in future conflicts. 5. Implications for Western defense mechanisms. The report notes concerns regarding the effectiveness of existing Western defense mechanisms in light of China's advancements. However, it may overlook the specific adaptations that Western powers will need to pursue to counter these emerging threats. The introduction of sophisticated unmanned systems like the killer whale compels a re-evaluation of air defense, anti-submarine warfare, and fleet tactics. Significance: acknowledging the need for adaptation invites a proactive approach to defense strategy. Encouraging investment in research and development of countermeasures against unmanned systems. As nations reassess their military capabilities, collaborations and alliances may evolve to address common threats posed by such advancements, reshaping global military relationships. 6. Broader geopolitical context. The launch of the killer whale should be viewed within the broader geopolitical context, particularly concerning U.S.-China relations and regional security dynamics. While the report touches on its implications for Western military forces, it does not fully explore how this technology could influence international alliances and tensions, especially in the Indo-Pacific region. Significance: understanding the geopolitical ramifications of China's technological advancements is crucial for predicting future conflicts and diplomatic engagements. The killer whale's capabilities may embolden China's assertiveness in contested waters, leading to heightened tensions and potential flashpoints that could affect global stability. Conclusion: the introduction of the killer whale unmanned warship is not merely a technological advancement, it represents a complex interplay of military strategy, ethical considerations, and geopolitical dynamics. By focusing on the often overlooked elements such as the modular mission package's historical context, the ethical implications of AI, the significance of human oversight, and the broader strategic shifts, we can gain a more nuanced understanding of the revolutionary changes occurring in naval warfare. These insights are essential for informing future military strategies and international relations in an increasingly unpredictable global landscape. 1. Technological innovation and modular design. The killer whale unmanned warship incorporates advanced AI technology and a modular mission package concept that allows flexibility in its operational capabilities. This feature enables the vessel to be reconfigured for various missions, including surface warfare, anti-submarine operations, and air defense. Such adaptability could enhance the effectiveness of naval operations by allowing rapid responses to changing battlefield conditions. The concept of modularity, while having faced challenges in the U.S. Navy's littoral combat ships, represents a critical evolution in naval warfare, reflecting a shift towards more versatile and multifunctional military assets. 2. Strategic implications for military balance. The launch of the killer whale and the accompanying Jiu Tian jet drone signifies a potential shift in the balance of military power, particularly in contested regions such as the South China Sea. By integrating unmanned systems into its naval strategy, China enhances its ability to conduct operations without risking human lives, allowing for more aggressive tactics. This development raises concerns for Western military forces regarding their current defense capabilities and necessitates a re-evaluation of their strategies to counter these emerging threats. 3. Operational capabilities and specifications. The killer whale's design features a length of approximately 190 feet, a displacement of 300 to 500 tons, and the ability to reach speeds of up to 40 knots with a range of about 4,000 nautical miles. It is also capable of carrying a wide array of weaponry, including anti-ship and anti-aircraft missiles, torpedoes, and a helicopter drone. The combination of these specifications indicates a formidable asset in modern naval warfare, capable of executing a variety of missions that could alter the dynamics of naval engagements. 4. Challenges for Western defense mechanisms. analysts have highlighted the need for Western nations to reassess and innovate their military strategies in response to the advancements represented by the killer whale and similar technologies. The integration of sophisticated unmanned systems into China's military capabilities presents a challenge to existing defense structures, emphasizing the urgency for Western powers to enhance their countermeasures against unmanned threats. This shift towards unmanned warfare not only complicates traditional military engagements but also calls for investments in innovative technologies to maintain a strategic advantage. 1. The development of the U.S. Navy's Littoral Combat Ship LCS. The LCS program, initiated in the early 2000s, aimed to create a modular and versatile naval vessel capable of operating in shallow coastal waters. Similar to China's killer whale, the LCS was designed to carry diverse mission packages for anti-submarine warfare, mine countermeasures, and surface warfare. However, the program faced significant challenges, including operational limitations and criticisms regarding its effectiveness in combat scenarios. The LCS's struggle to fully realize its modular concept has drawn comparisons to the potential operational challenges that the killer whale may face in the future. 2. The introduction of the German Type 212 submarine. Launched in the early 2000s, the German Type 212 submarine is notable for its innovative use of air-independent propulsion (AIP) technology, allowing it to operate submerged for extended periods without surfacing. The Type 212 was designed to enhance stealth and operational flexibility, similar to the modular and adaptable nature of the killer whale. Its capabilities have significantly impacted submarine warfare and prompted other nations to re-evaluate their underwater combat strategies. Much like the implications of the killer whale's technology on naval power dynamics. 3. The emergence of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) in modern warfare. The use of UAVs, particularly by the U.S. military since the early 2000s, has revolutionized aerial combat and surveillance. Drones like the MQ-1 Predator and MQ-9 Reaper have shown how unmanned systems can conduct operations without risking pilot lives, echoing the capabilities of China's killer whale in naval warfare. The rapid development and deployment of UAVs have forced traditional military powers to adapt their strategies and countermeasures to address the new threats posed by unmanned technologies, paralleling the concerns raised by the introduction of the killer whale. The introduction of China's unmanned warship, the killer whale, signifies a transformative moment in naval warfare driven by advanced artificial intelligence and modular design. As we look to the future, several predictions can be made regarding the implications of this development on global military dynamics, naval strategies, and the broader security landscape. 1. Shift in naval warfare paradigms. The killer whale is emblematic of a broader shift towards unmanned systems in naval operations. As militaries increasingly integrate AI and autonomous vehicles, we can expect a significant transformation in naval strategies. The emphasis will likely move from traditional manned vessels to unmanned platforms capable of executing diverse missions with reduced risk to personnel. This trend may lead to a rethinking of naval engagements where fleets composed of numerous autonomous vessels operate in coordination, overwhelming adversaries with speed and numbers. 2. Increased focus on modular warfare. The modular mission package concept utilized by the killer whale could redefine how navies approach warfare. Future naval vessels may become more versatile, allowing for rapid reconfiguration depending on mission requirements. This adaptability can enhance operational efficiency and resource allocation, enabling militaries to respond dynamically to emerging threats. The ability to switch out weapon systems and operational roles could lead to a more fluid battlefield environment where traditional roles of ships become less rigid. 3. Escalation of unmanned systems in military operations. With the successful deployment of the killer whale and other unmanned systems, we can anticipate a surge in the use of such technologies by both state and non-state actors. This proliferation could lead to increased competition in unmanned warfare, prompting nations to invest in countermeasures and enhance their own autonomous capabilities. As drones and unmanned vessels become more commonplace, the potential for miscalculations or unintended escalations in conflict zones may also rise. 4. Challenges for Western militaries. The advancements represented by the killer whale pose critical challenges for Western military forces, particularly in regions like the South China Sea. As China strengthens its naval capabilities with sophisticated unmanned systems, Western nations may find their existing defense strategies and technologies inadequate. This scenario will likely compel Western powers to invest heavily in research and development, focusing on advanced counter-drone technologies, AI-driven decision-making systems, and enhanced surveillance capabilities to maintain a strategic edge. 5. Evolving military alliances and partnerships. The emergence of advanced military technologies in nations like China will likely reshape global alliances and partnerships. Countries within the Indo-Pacific region may seek to bolster their defense capabilities through collaborations with Western nations or invest in their own advanced technologies. The need for collective security against emerging threats will drive new defense agreements and military exercises aimed at countering the potential dominance of unmanned systems. 6. Legal and ethical considerations. As unmanned systems become more prevalent in military operations, the legal and ethical implications surrounding their use will become increasingly complex. Questions regarding accountability during autonomous operations, adherence to international law, and the moral implications of deploying AI in warfare will be hotly debated. Future military doctrines will need to address these challenges, ensuring that advancements in technology do not outpace legal frameworks. 7. Impact on naval strategy and tactics. The introduction of advanced unmanned vessels may lead to a re-evaluation of naval tactics. Traditional naval engagements may become obsolete as forces rely more on swarms of unmanned systems for reconnaissance, disruption, and direct engagement. The ability to conduct operations with minimal human oversight could encourage more aggressive tactics, potentially leading to conflicts characterized by rapid engagements and swift shifts in control. 8. Technological arms race. The unveiling of the killer whale could trigger an arms race in naval technologies, particularly in unmanned systems. Nations may feel pressured to develop their own advanced platforms, leading to increased military spending and innovation. This competition could drive rapid technological advancements, but it may also escalate tensions among rival nations as they seek to outpace one another in military capabilities. 9. Geopolitical implications. The advancements in China's naval capabilities highlighted by the killer whale could alter the geopolitical landscape. Nations may reassess their strategic positions, particularly in contested regions such as the South China Sea. The ability to project power through unmanned systems may embolden China, leading to heightened assertiveness in territorial disputes and potentially increasing regional instability. 10. Global defense industry evolution. The rise of unmanned naval systems will likely influence the global defense industry, driving demand for new technologies and capabilities. Companies specializing in AI, robotics, and maritime systems may experience growth as militaries seek innovative solutions to enhance their fleets. This shift will also encourage partnerships between defense contractors and technology firms, fostering a new era of military innovation. In conclusion, the launch of China's killer whale unmanned warship represents a pivotal moment in naval warfare and military strategy. As nations adapt to the changing landscape of defense technology, the implications will resonate across military doctrine, international relations, and global security dynamics. The next decade will be crucial in determining how these advancements shape the future of warfare and the balance of power on the world stage.